Can't believe he pulled the fire alarm. People could have got hurt rushing outside for there not even having to be a fire alarm. My kid got hurt. I gotta go make a coffee.
Good morning. We're here at Hoisington High School reporting on a fire alarm incident that they had this morning. Oh, here comes somebody now. Excuse me, what can you tell me about the fire alarm incident?
Ask him.
Hey, hold on. You need to ask him a question. Sir, what do you know about the fire alarm that was pulled this morning? So, why did you pull the fire alarm this morning?
Man, I don't know. I like the outside. The breeze feels good in my hair. The sun, it brightens up my skin, and I sure do like my hair looking nice and bright.
Was there actually any fire involved?
Yeah, there was a fire burning in my soul.
What could make a test so bad that you pulled a fire alarm?
Man, I told you I don't want to take that test. You see that outside? Look at those clouds. That red car right there? That red car's pretty good. I did so many burnouts, it ain't even funny. I can smell them tires right now.
Do you realize the consequences of what could have happened today?
Consequences? Consequences? The rewards were way worth it out there. Are you kidding me? I got to see my car. I felt that breeze. I saw that sun. I got a hug from my mama. They were worth it.
According to security camera footage, at least one other person was injured today.
Are you kidding me? There's like this many people at our school. I'm one of them, and the other kid, he's like a whole bunch of pillows. I mean, like, this guy is indestructible. He could bounce off walls and fall down on his face and be fine.
I'm sitting here today, and I'm here with a teacher from HHS, and so what's going to be done about the student that pulled the fire alarm?
He still has to take the test still, but he gets a 25% deduction on his test grade, so that's gonna hurt him. And he has a week of ISS.
What are your opinions on people who pull fire alarms, and what are you personally feeling right now?
My son, he can't do this anymore.
Okay, I guess that concludes our interview. Thanks for watching. Hey, what happens next?